Yeah, hi. Welcome to my channel, and through this video we will discuss the physiology of the electrical and the synaptical transmitters in the neurons. So what is synapse? The junction between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of the other neuron is called as synapse, and it has a gap in between them is called as the synaptic cleft. So connection of the two neurons may be of the two types, that is neuron-neuron junction and the neuromuscular junction. So in this picture there is a figure of the neuron, dendrite, cell body, axon and synaptic knob. So synapse may be of the two type, that is electrical synapse and the chemical synapse. So differences are given below, that is electrical synapse. So it is electrical synapse is a bidirectional transmitter, where a chemical synapse is a single transmitter occurs because the vesicle present only in the axonical end. So it is excitatory or the in the chemical synapse it is excitatory or the inhibitory. So here are the following differences. So figure of the electrical synapse and the chemical synapse. So synaptic cleft in the chemical synapse, the chemicals are released, where the electrical synapse, the neurotransmitter are passed from the pre-synaptic terminal to the post-synaptic terminal directly. So generation of the conduction of the impulse. So basically, the impulse, there are three basically steps of the impulse, that is polarized state, depolarized state, and the repolarized state. So when the impulse is generated in the one part of the section, the membrane becomes permeable to the cause the influx of the sodium ion, and the sodium ion moves in axon, inside positively charged and the outside negatively charged, known as the depolarized condition. So in the depolarized condition, then again the repolarization of the neuron in the repolarized section. So all the sodium from the axon goes out in the extracellular fluid, and the potassium enters axon. So an impulse travels across neurons, and the sodium permeability changes, impulse travels and reaches end. So here are the three conditions of the polarized, depolarized, and the repolarized state. So in this, the graph is showing the three stages of the impulse, that is polarized, depolarized, and the repolarized. Depolarization, repolarization, and the resting potential. So steps of the transmission of the chemical synapse. Firstly, the action potential arrives at the axon terminal. Then the voltage get at calcium channels open, and the calcium enters into cells. When calcium enters, the calcium dependent fusion of the synaptic vesicle within the membrane and the synaptic vesicle release neurotransmitter by exocytosis, and neurotransmitter diffuses across the synaptic cleft and binds to the receptor present at the postsynaptic neurons, and binding of the neurotransmitter receptor generates postsynaptic potential. So these are the steps of the chemical synapse. So thank you.